In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of clearing or deleting your eBay search history. To begin, open the eBay application on your device and ensure that you are signed in. To delete your search history, tap on the search bar, where you will be able to view all your recent searches. There are two ways to delete your search history. Firstly, you can swipe left on the screen for the search option you wish to delete, revealing the Delete option. Tap on Delete, and the search will be removed. This method allows you to delete your search history one item at a time. If you prefer to delete all your search history at once, tap on the Clear All option. Subsequently, tap on Clear Recent Searches, and your entire eBay search history will be cleared. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear or delete your eBay search history.